Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair SoundPeats T3 with your Android phone. So to do this, first of all you have to remove both earbuds from the case, and you have to remove this foil from these pins, then put them back. And right now you have to wait until the left earphone turns to the blue and the right starts blinking slowly, just like that. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode. So we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone, then click to pair new device. Now we have to take a look for available devices list and wait until our earbuds just pop right here. So be patient and wait a little bit. If this method is not working, I'm gonna show you a little bit different method, but as you can see here we can find them. So we can just click on them once, select pair, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.